SG602 Drone Video Operation Tutorial Product Accessory List. DIY Assembly Steps. Install the motor. Remove the cover plate at the bottom of the machine body. Before installation, it is necessary to distinguish the positions of the A and B arms and the A and B motors. After inserting the B motor through the B arm opening, install the B motor. Pay attention to the position of the B interface and the B connection cable. Connect the connecting wire to complete the installation of motor B. After passing the motor through the arm opening, install the motor. Pay attention to the position of the interface and the connecting cable. Connect the connecting wire. To complete the installation of motor A, install the motor screws onto the motor base. Tighten the screws to complete the installation of the drone motor. Tighten the screws on the machine body. Put the 4 motor wires into the slot. Put on the bottom cover plate. Install the body screws at the indicated position on the arm. Use a screwdriver to tighten the fixing screws. Install the body screws at the indicated position on the body. Use a screwdriver to tighten the fixing screws. Install the drone light cover. Align the drone's light cover with the light cover buckle position and install it. Complete the installation of drone lampshade. Install drone A and B propellers. Before installation, pay attention to the A and B arms and the A and B propeller blades. Install the corresponding propeller blades on the corresponding arm and tighten the screws. Complete the installation of drone propellers. Install the drone protective cover. Install the robot arm in the indicated area. Install the arm in its corresponding position to complete the installation. Tighten the screws of the protective cover. Align the screws of the protective cover with the indicated position. Tighten it and secure the protective cover. Insert the drone light strip into the indicated position on the arm. To complete the connection of the light strip, complete the installation of the drone protective cover. Installation of drone landing gear. Insert the landing gear into the arm side buckle and tighten it by rotating it. Complete the installation of drone landing gear. Install drone camera. Insert the camera wiring into the body slot. Then fasten the camera to the buckle on the body prop. Finally, fasten the camera onto the protective cover and tighten the bottom screw of the camera. Complete camera installation. Pre-flight preparation, charging demonstration. Connect one end of the charging cable to the battery and the other end to the power source. When charging, the red light stays on, and when fully charged, the green light stays on. After installing the drone battery, using a screwdriver to tighten the screws to complete the installation. Install remote control battery. Remove the back cover of the remote control. Install for number 5 batteries. Cover the lid to complete the installation. Long press the switch to turn on the drone. Place the drone on a horizontal desktop. Turn on the remote control start switch and it will automatically synchronize with the frequency by default when turned on. The rapid flashing of drone lights and the transition to constant brightness indicates successful frequency matching. Long press the speed and power buttons on the remote control to set the frequency of the drone. The drone light flashes rapidly and turns to constant brightness, indicating successful frequency control. After successful frequency calibration, it can automatically connect upon normal startup without the need for repeated frequency calibration. Rotate the remote control joystick according to the instructions to calibrate the gyroscope. The rapid flashing of drone lights and their transition to constant brightness indicates successful calibration. Push the left joystick upwards to unlock the motor. Push the left joystick upwards again for the drone to take off. Press the 1 key takeoff button. One-click takeoff after unlocking the drone. Rise, decline, left rotation, right rotation, advance, back off, left side fly, fly to the right. Drone startup defaults to left-hand throttle. Press and hold the power button and the right fine adjustment button simultaneously. To switch to the right-hand throttle, push the left joystick upwards to raise the drone. Push the right joystick downwards. The drone descends. Push the right joystick to the left, and the drone rotates to the left. Push the right joystick to the right, and the drone rotates to the right. Push the left joystick upwards, and the drone moves forward. Push the left joystick downwards, and the drones will move backwards. Push the left joystick to the left, and the drone flies to the left. Push the left joystick to the right, and the drone flies to the right. The default startup mode is low gear. After pressing the speed adjustment button, the two beeps indicate medium gear. After pressing the speed adjustment button, the three beeps of Diddy Day indicates high gear. After pressing the roll button, move the joystick to the left. Realize the drone to roll to the left. After pressing the roll button, move the joystick to the right. Realize the drone to roll to the right. Press the one-key hover button. Drones achieve one-click hovering flight. After pressing the headless mode button, toggle the joystick. At this point, the drone no longer distinguishes the direction of the nose and achieves unmanned mode flight. When the drone deviates to the right, press the left fine adjustment button. Fine-tune the drone to the left and hover relatively stably. Press the one-key landing button, drone one-click landing. Press the light switch button. You can switch the color of drone lights. App download and connection. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual to download the corresponding system app. After downloading and installing the app, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi. Open the Wi-Fi on your phone and find the Wi-Fi name Wi-Fi for the drone. After connecting and confirming the successful connection, open the mobile app to enter the real-time transmission screen. Remove the cover from the remote control. Install the phone holder. Once you clip on your phone, you can start flying. Long press the camera button to take a photo. Long press the recording button to record video. Press and hold the recording button again to end the recording. Replace the fan blade. Disconnect the light connection strip first. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the protective cover and remove the protective cover. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the old fan blade screws and remove the old fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing between A and B arms and A and B blades. Install the corresponding fan blades. On the corresponding arm, tighten the screws to complete the replacement.